Hi, everyone. My name is Dr. Majero from Counseling and Testing Services, and I'm calling on all international students. Have you ever experienced homesickness, loneliness, difficulty making friends in the US, anxiety about speaking up because you don't know the language, or you're worried about how your accent might be received, or even just some difficulty managing family expectations? I know I did when I first moved to the US from Zimbabwe. And I found a lot of comfort in being able to talk about it with fellow international students. So I'm inviting you all to join me in attending the International Student Workshop, which will be taking place this fall every other Thursday at noon, starting on September 10. This is going to be a great opportunity for us to talk about our experiences, some of the fears and worries that we have, as well as some of the joys and adventures that come with being an international student. We'll be able to talk about ways to adjust to life in the US and life at UNT. So we'll be able to provide each other with some support and make some great friends along the way. So feel free to email us or call for more information, but I look forward to meeting you all and seeing you all there.